When's the last time you saw a dog blush after tripping in front of other dogs? Never. Because it doesn't happen. Not to dogs, not to cats, not to any of the 8 million other species we share this planet with. Just us. One weird, over-caffeinated primate turning red because we said, "you too," back to a waiter. Here's what nobody tells you. Blushing isn't a bug. It's the only involuntary reaction in the entire animal kingdom that exists purely to broadcast your embarrassment to other people. You can't fake it. You can't stop it. Your face just snitches on you. So why would evolution do this to us? Charles Darwin actually obsessed over this exact question. In 1872, he called blushing the most peculiar and most human of all expressions. And he couldn't fully explain it either, which honestly is a little comforting. Here's the mechanism. When you feel socially exposed, your sympathetic nervous system dumps adrenaline into your bloodstream. That adrenaline hits special receptors in the blood vessels of your face, receptors your cheeks have way more of than, say, your arms or your legs. And those vessels widen. Blood rushes in, boom, you're a tomato. But here's the part that actually breaks people's brains a little. Researchers believe blushing evolved as a social apology system. A 2009 study out of the University of Amsterdam found that people who blushed after a social mistake were rated as more trustworthy and forgiven faster than people who stayed composed. Your red face is basically your body waving a tiny white flag that says, "Yeah, I know, I messed up. Please don't exile me." Which, evolutionarily, checks out. Remember, humans survived by staying in the group's good graces, not by being the strongest. A visible, involuntary "I'm sorry" signal was actually a survival tool. Let's talk about why you can't control it, because that's the whole point. If you could fake a blush, it wouldn't work. Nobody would trust it. The involuntary part is the feature, not the flaw. It's precisely because you can't will it away that it functions as proof of sincerity. Try it right now. Try to blush on command. You can't. Meanwhile, you'll blush instantly just thinking about that time you called your teacher mom. Here's a fun wrinkle. Some researchers, including Dr. Ray Crozier, argue we blush even when we're alone, just imagining an embarrassing scenario. Your brain doesn't need an actual audience. It just needs to believe one might be watching. Which means somewhere out there, someone is turning red in an empty room over a text message they sent in 2014. And there's a twist that makes this almost poetic. Blushing might be the most honest expression humans have. Smiles can be faked. Tears can be performed. But nobody has ever successfully blushed on cue for a job interview. So next time your face lights up like a stoplight because you waved at a stranger who wasn't actually waving at you, relax. You're not malfunctioning. You're running a several million-year-old apology system that evolution decided was too important to let you control. You're not awkward. You're just really, really honest, whether your face agreed to it or not.